I'm making this video to show you how to bring your headlight lens back to life. This is what you're gonna need. That is a 220 grit sandpaper on the palm sander. That is a 320 sanding pad and terry cloth and the U-Paw blend number 9. Basically get off the haze that has accumulated over time. As you can see, it doesn't take much. But once you completely sanded the whole lens, then we're going to use the U-Paw blend number 9 to bring back the original clear lens. That's how it looks after I hit it with the 220 grit on the palm sander. And now you take the actual sanding pad and you just lightly go over that, like so. Then you take the terry cloth and get off the excess dust. Now, here comes the fun part. The U-Paw blend number 9. Here we go. Just like that, like magic.